Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is about cryptocurrency play, mostly on Bitcoin, and I will be talking mostly about Marathon Patent Group, ticker symbol MARA, or you can say MARA. So in this video, I will just talk about the price action, what's happening, what is happening with Bitcoin and some other plays. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. And I will also make a video on fuel cell and microvision. I promised I will make those videos this weekend, so hopefully this will come this afternoon. So it's coming anyway. So the stock I want to talk is MARA, and the first time I was in the stock, which was around $3 to $5 for a quick profit, I got out of the stock. That time I did not have the long-term vision. Then again I went to the stock around $10. I think when it went around $12, I got out. Then I was not following this stock, and suddenly I found that the stock went up to $28, and I said, oh, it was at like $4 or $3. I think I purchased it. It was 9 times. So then I was waiting for a dip, and the dip happened, and I see the stock is going up again, and that is why I'm making the video here, because I think this time it will be a long-term hold for me. Instead of option, I will just buy stock. So let's look at the chart. So you can see it went up to $27, then it came back, then it was a falling edge, then last 2 trading days it break out. So the last Thursday you see it went up, came down, then again with Bitcoin price, Friday morning it shoot up, then it came down. It is trying to reverse. So what is happening? We broke the down what's called downward wedge, falling wedge, yeah. So we broke the falling wedge, we came out. Now we are trying to go up, but still we can see the stock is moving between 20 and 24. Now with the red market on Friday and the coming week, if there is any more red days, this stock can come to the bottom. So look at the lines here. One is around 1920 and the other one is 15.5. So I will watch these levels. If it comes back to 19.19, I will grab something. If it comes even more around 15.5, I will go heavy, because I think this stock will eventually go to 24, 26, even higher and higher. This time it will be my long hold, so maybe I will just buy a good amount of share. Now let's look at why the stock price dropped. Because on January 12th, they announced 250 million registered direct offering of common stock at $20 per share. So you see $20. So normally in this type of thing, the stock price should not be coming less than $20. So we see it came to $20, then it even came to $15. So it's trying to go up, so which is good. One thing I want to mention, that any kind of commodity play or cryptocurrency play, those are related to the overall market. If Bitcoin goes high, this stock will go high. If Bitcoin's crash, this thing will crash. So I previously played with option, but again, you never know what will happen to Bitcoin. We know in long term it will go up, but sometimes we do not know the circumstance. So I recommend to use stock instead of option. So looking at the chart, this is Bitcoin. Okay, let's do something. Let's add Bitcoin here. What's the ticker symbol for Bitcoin in bar chart? Okay, let's add that. I'm using bar chart so that I can just show you easily. So you see the blue one is the Bitcoin price, and the black one is MARA stock price, and you can see they move together same way, right? Whenever Bitcoin goes high, Bitcoin goes high. So you see the pattern, right? That is what I was saying. Like if Bitcoin comes down, MARA will come down. If Bitcoin goes high, MARA will go high. But in the long run, we know that Bitcoin will go higher and higher, 40,000, 50, 60, who knows, maybe 100,000. So if it's a long-term play, maybe your $20 will become like $100. And there are also some other news starting from 2022, I guess. They will be starting what they call is generating more Bitcoin plays. So maybe their annual revenue will also increase. I'm not going there, but there are some news. If you want, you can do some your own research to see like what's happening in 2022 in terms of how MARA will operate in future. Other than that, the Bitcoin play, the price, you can see it went to 42,000, it came down. And if you see the falling wedge here, so we broke the falling wedge, we shoot up to 38,000, came down. Today we are coming down. So in terms of Bitcoin support, I think around 29,000 there is a good support here, and also around 32 there is a good support. 32,500 around this area you see good support and resistance. So keep an eye on Bitcoin, because this is Sunday, maybe on Monday and Tuesday things can change. But if you look at the support and resistance, then you can make your decision. Personally, I want Bitcoin to come down like 32,000 or even less, so that I can enter into this particular stock. Other than Mara, there is also another stock which is BTBT. You can see the same pattern, went up, coming down. Then ticker symbol RIOT, went up, coming down. Also, in one of my previous video, I talked about cryptocurrency, which is Dogecoin. The price was like around 0.07 at that time, and there was a heavy run up, and I mentioned that the price will come down and it will be stable around 0.03, and now I see the price is around 0.03. Maybe this is a good time to buy, then maybe you can ride the wave. But anyway, cryptocurrency is the future for many of us, so have something to your portfolio, maybe 1% or 2%. So buy something, you will never lose in long term. So anyway, this stock video is mostly for Mara, but also like I showed you how the Bitcoin is moving, and also the support and resistance for Mara, Bitcoin and BTBT. So anyway, if you're a cryptocurrency lover, then I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will make another video on Microvision and Fuel Cell tonight. Take care, my friends. Bye.